Good morning everyone. Today we will learn introduction to acid and base. Okay. Firstly we will see about only acid and base. What is acid and what is base. Okay. In our daily life also we use various types of acid and base in everyday life. Acid is such a substance which gives H positive ion in a solution state. Okay. There is a many difference between acid and base. Acid is concentrated and strong. Base is a little bit normal. Okay, various types of acids, and also you know about examples of acid: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, and all. Okay, our daily life diet contains a few natural acids like citric acid, that is in lemon, and also yogurt. It also contain acid. Okay, these are the natural acids. Firstly we will see the about the acid. Okay, HCl, the any substance which gives H positive ion, that is acid. HCl is the acid. Okay, and it forms H positive hydrogen plus Cl negative hydrogen ion and chloride ion, hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is about the acid. Our daily diet contains a few natural acids. They are mild in nature and hence are not harmful like mineral acids. Okay, natural acids are mild in nature, so that are not harmful for the health or human body. Various properties of the acid. Acids are sour in taste, sour in taste. Acid molecules contain hydrogen ion as a main constituent, and acid react with metal to form the hydrogen gas because it's acid's speciality only that it only produce hydrogen substance, hydrogen atom. Acid react with metal to form hydrogen gas. Acid react with carbonates and liberate carbon dioxide gas. Blue litmus turns red. When blue litmus turns into red, it is then we called it as a acid. And when blue litmus turns blue, it is base. Okay, various uses of acid are there. Acid are used in production of chemical fertilizers. Acids are used in the production of explosive, oil purification, medicines, dyes and paints. Hydrochloric acid is used for the preparation of different types of chloride salts. Dilute sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4 acid, is used in the batteries, electric cell and all. Okay, dilute HCl is used for sterilization of water. Acid is used for making of white paper from wood pulp. Okay, these are the various uses of acid. We have seen that the mineral acids are harmful to body. However, several organic acids are present in our body and in plants which are useful to us. DNA deoxyribonucleic acid is an acid present in our body besides hereditary property that is not harmful for our body. Some acids, that is some mineral acids, are harmful to our body, but some mild acids that is not harmful to our body. Okay, proteins which are part of our body cell are made up of amino acids. Amino acids also very useful for the body. Okay, fat of our body is formed by the fatty acids. These are not harmful. Then base, or we can say it as an alkali. Second point is the base or alkali. Base or alkali. Alkali is a substance whose water solution gives hydroxide ion. In acid it gives H positive ion, and in base it gives OH negative ion. Okay, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium positive plus OH negative hydroxide ion. Okay, it is base. This is the difference between the acid and base. Here also the various properties of the alkalis or base. Alkali has a bitter taste, acid has a sour taste, and alkali has a bitter taste. Okay, they are slippery, and alkali contain hydroxide or as a main constituent, and acid has a H positive as a main constituent, and base has a OH hydroxide ion is a main constituent. Okay, metal oxides are generally alkaline in nature. Okay, then neutralization reactions. We have seen that the acid contain H positive and alkali contain OH negative, that is hydroxide ion, and salt and water are formed by the combination of acid and alkali. When acid and alkali get reacted with one another, it forms salt and water. It is called as the neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. When acid and base react with each other and form salt and water, that is called as a neutralization reaction. Acid plus base and it form salt and water. This is the neutralization reaction. It is all about the acid and base. This is the introduction of acid and base. What is acid, what is base, and what happened when acid and base both react, that is neutralization reaction. Okay, thank you so much. In next lecture we will see next topic. Please do like and comment on this video. Thank you.